Got it. Here's the revised script without the asterisks. The James Webb Space Telescope may be the most important scientific instrument ever built. Its discoveries are pushing us closer than ever before to finding alien life, not in science fiction, but in real data from real planets orbiting real stars. Webb is designed to study the universe in infrared. This allows it to see much farther and clearer than any previous telescope. Unlike visible light, infrared can cut through cosmic dust and reveal the hidden structure of the universe. It can also detect the chemical signatures of molecules in the atmospheres of distant planets. Since becoming operational in 2022, Webb has begun delivering exactly what scientists hoped for: clear, detailed spectra from exoplanets, showing the presence of gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and even water vapor. This is revolutionary. For the first time, we're not just detecting planets, we're reading their atmospheric chemistry. One of the first breakthroughs came with the planet WASP 9b. It's a hot gas giant about 700 light-years from Earth. Using a method called transmission spectroscopy, Webb captured starlight passing through its atmosphere. That light was broken down into a spectrum, a chemical barcode, showing clear signs of carbon dioxide and water vapor. This was more than a cool discovery. It was a proof of concept. It showed that JWST can detect the molecular fingerprints of planets hundreds of trillions of kilometers away. And more importantly, it laid the groundwork for analyzing smaller, rockier planets. Planets more like Earth. Not long after, Webb turned its focus toward K218b, a super-Earth located 120 light-years away. It's larger than our planet but potentially rocky or ocean-covered. Its atmosphere showed carbon dioxide. It showed methane. But one signal stood out: possible traces of dimethyl sulfide, or DMs. On Earth, DMs is almost exclusively produced by living organisms, mainly phytoplankton in the ocean. There is no known abiotic or non-living process that generates DMs on our planet. If this detection is confirmed, it would be one of the strongest biosignature candidates ever found outside Earth. But science is cautious. One detection isn't enough. Scientists need more observations to rule out noise or natural processes we may not yet understand. But what matters is this: Webb has shown that such detections are possible. We now have the tools to find life, if it's out there. And this is just the beginning. Webb is also observing the TRAPPIST-1 system, a family of 7 Earth-sized planets orbiting a cool red dwarf star. 3 of these planets are in the habitable zone, where temperatures may allow liquid water to exist. Webb is currently studying the atmospheres of TRAPPIST-1b, C, and D. It's looking for key ingredients: water vapor, oxygen, ozone, methane, and other molecules that, together, could signal biological activity. Finding one gas isn't enough. Life, as we know it, tends to produce combinations of gases that wouldn't otherwise exist in balance. For example, Earth has large amounts of both oxygen and methane, 2 gases that would destroy each other over time without constant replenishment by living organisms. This is what scientists call a chemical disequilibrium. If Webb finds such a pattern on another planet, it could be the smoking gun we've been searching for. Beyond specific planets, Webb is transforming our understanding of how planetary systems form. It has revealed young star systems in their earliest stages of planet formation, showing disks of dust and gas swirling into new worlds. It's also capturing the light from some of the earliest galaxies ever formed, giving us a view of the cosmos just 300 million years after the Big Bang. This helps scientists understand the conditions under which stars and planets, and possibly life, first emerged. If we do discover life beyond Earth, it won't necessarily be intelligent or even complex. It might be microbial. It might be oceanic. It might not even resemble anything we're familiar with. But the implications will be massive. It would mean that life is not unique to Earth. It would suggest that, given the right conditions, life may arise naturally across the universe. And if it happened more than once, it could happen many times, maybe even millions. The philosophical shift would be enormous. Religions, ideologies, science itself, everything would evolve in response to that truth. We'd no longer be a lonely exception. We'd be part of a larger story, one that connects biology with cosmology. What makes the James Webb discoveries so powerful is that they are not speculative. They are rooted in data, in light, in chemistry. We're not just imagining life in the universe anymore. We're measuring the clues it might leave behind. The search has become scientific, and that changes everything. So are we closer to finding alien life?
Yes.
We are closer than ever before. We are studying planets we can't see with our eyes, decoding chemicals in their skies, and reading the stories written in starlight. The James Webb Space Telescope is not just a telescope. It's a time machine. It's a chemistry lab. It's a beacon of possibility. And it may very well be the instrument that changes our place in the universe forever. Stay curious. The next signal we receive might be the answer we've been waiting for.